Hello. Hello, welcome to ITM. We are on the ColorJet store and we are talking to Mr. Arun. Mr. Arun, it is a pride that this time ITM carpet is printed in your machine. That is proud for India and proud for entire world. So just want to take how you are feeling and what is your take on that?
Yeah, in fact, it's a very great pleasure for me to introduce the India's first 5.2 carpet jet machine, a complete solution for a lightweight carpet printing. And it's a proud privilege that one of our customer got the ITM walkways printed with color on a color jet machine. It's a very proud feeling representing India on an international platform and exhibiting our quality and product. It's a very nice experience for us at ColorJet.
Correct. So in future, what do you expect from the Turkey market and from surrounding market? ColorJet will sell more machine or what is your future vision and for that?
In fact, the product specifically for Turkey actually, traditionally Turkey has been a good floor covering and a carpet market. The product which we have launched here, which is live in action running here, is being customized and tailor-made to answer the 5.2 meter, like up to wall-to-wall, complete solution. We have already supplied couple of solutions to the Turkey market and to adjoining areas like Armenia and other places. We are very confident that this particular product will cater to the needs of the carpet industry and will give a complete quality solution for the customers here in Turkey as well, the CIS and adjoining countries.
Yeah. So this machine what is the speciality of this machine? Can you explain to the viewers? Why should they take a ColorJet machine as compared to the other competitors?
See, first of all, this probably is one of the unique machine which is actually fitting to the right size of the carpet solution, because we have seen up till now 4 meters of solutions available in the market, but this particular machine addresses the need of wider width, super wider width and extra wider width requirements also. So this machine is actually 5.2 meters and we have customized this printing on direct disperse, which gives an easy solution, sustainable solution for the carpet industry, where it's quick printing and it can be customized as per the design, as per the market requirement, and it fits into the right set of customers' expectations.
Okay. So what do you see the future of the ColorJet with this machine and with this innovation in the entire world market?
See, at ColorJet we are constantly innovating. In fact, it's also a pleasure that we've already launched our 64 printhead 1.9 meter, the fastest Indian digital printing machine, which is already available for the commercial production. With advent of the carpet printing, with the 64 head reactive printing solution, plus we also already have a very large number of pigment solutions which are sustainable. So with the advent of our product development, we are trying to address the needs of the customers in the various segments, whether you talk about the apparel textiles or the functional textiles. So with the large gamut of product portfolio, we are sure to address the needs of the market and expand our global presence globally.
I've seen like many competitors are also introducing inks in the market. So ColorJet also planning to have the inks or ColorJet ink in the market or not? How was your take on that?
In fact, at ColorJet we already have a large ink solution for our customers, whether it is reactive solutions, whether it is pigment solutions or dispersed solution, acid solution. So the entire basket of products which we address are available at the ColorJet brand, available for our customers at a very value for money platform with a quality and consistency which is matchless, which is the primary advantage which every printer needs, that the consistency on the print quality, the jetability and the quality should be uniform across the entire production. So which is a very unique solution available with ColorJet. We representing a large gamut of the ink solutions in the market.
Correct. Sort of reactive pigment, which is better? I think reactive have a not more washability thing. So as when you print a carpet or anything, so what do you suggest, like which product should print on the reactive, which should print on the pigment?
See, in fact, globally when we are talking about sustainability,
Yeah.
pigment solution is the next in thing which would be the future actually. As you know, in reactive, it is only suitable for cellulosic material where you need steaming and washing, which is a subsequent effluent discharge process, which is only suited to one particular set of solutions. Whereas when you look at disperse is only looking for 100% polyester segment. So pigment is a solution which is for future, which is substrate independent, and with the advent of customization which ColorJet has been able to do, we have got a largest installation of pigment machines running in India and also globally. So my personal take on the printing technology, that coming future in terms of printing, pigment can be a very good growth engine for the entire industry.
Correct. So as compared to rotary, block and digital is quite a new technology right now, and still it is on the lesser as compared to rotary print. So what do you think the future of this digital printing entire industry will be moving forward?
In fact, time is ripe for the analog type of printing, which is either rotary or for the table printing, to adopt into digital actually. There's been a misnomer that probably the cost of printing for digital compared to the analog printing is higher. But with the advent of technological development in terms of the overall workflows which the digital printing is able to save, the added advantage in comparisons to the wastages, the added advantage in terms of the cycle to take the product to the market, the ease with which the customers are able to generate large print volumes compared to print on demand solutions. I think the analog printing has to adopt to the digital market, digital printing solutions. Probably this is the right time when we have a complete basket of solutions from ColorJet concerning the latest Falcon 64 printhead, the Earth series of printers which ColorJet already has on the pigment solution. Probably with these kinds of innovative developments which we have recently, now we have the carpet solution also for the market. So its time is ripe that the analog printing needs to adopt the digital printing on a faster level.
You are into ITM exhibition. So what is your response, and which kind of customers has come to this exhibition and from which countries?
See, incidentally, when we are at ITM and when we have launched the carpet jet, we are getting an excellent response from places like Gaziantep in Turkey, or maybe probably Batman. These are all the carpet printing hubs actually, and we have got a very encouraging response for the carpet jet solution. But in large, when we talk about Turkey and the adjoining countries like Syria or maybe Armenia or the entire segment of the Balkan countries, we are getting a very good response at the ITM, and we are very thrilled and encouraged to welcome our visitors at ColorJet booth.
Okay, so these all are the like distributors or the direct manufacturer. What kind of customer profile?
No, we have direct manufacturers who are actually doing the digital printing work, who want to adopt into the digital workflows. They are already into facing challenge into the time to market, or they have a challenge on the number of colors limitations and the kind of substrates which they can print. So we are getting response from probably the entire spectrum of the industry, where they are trying to work and discuss with us and to develop solutions from the digital printing side.
Anything you want to tell who has not visited ITM exhibition and you want to convey your message as a ColorJet to
Yes,
them?
actually we want to invite everyone to witness 5.2 meter live carpet printing in action at ColorJet booth in ITM Turkey. We welcome everyone. Witness the transformation of the colors, the vibrancy, the ease of printing, and witness the printing live in action. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.